Welcome, friends, to Stitch in Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie, and I'm excited to share with you today one of our Block of the Months that will be starting here in June. It is a 13-month program. The Block of the Month quilt is named Luminary. Beautiful, beautiful quilt. The designer is Linda McGibbon. Again, it is a 13-month program. This quilt, when completed, will measure 63 inches by 80 inches. It uses all Island Batik fabrics. Beautiful, vibrant colors will be featured in this quilt. It will feature beautiful stars, meticulously pieced together using foundation paper piecings, and I'll share with you a little bit of that in the pattern as we move along. And this results in precise lines and perfect points, as you see in the picture here. We do offer an Oops Kit with this program, and what that means is if by any chance you make mistakes, we do have a kit that's available that will provide you additional fabrics that you can make any corrections to your quilt that you need to make. So let's just dive right in and let's talk a little bit about your fabric. So again, in your very first month, you'll have your fabrics, beautiful, again, vibrant colors. We've got green, blues, teals, reds, yellows, all sorts of beautiful colors. You'll also have a pattern. And each month now for this program, you will receive an individual pattern. And in this pattern, you'll have your fabric requirements. In your first month, you will get a fabric key that will have all the colors that will be used throughout this quilt. So you'll have that for continued reference. And then your pattern for your month one will show your fabrics that will be used in your month one. It will give you general instructions, very detailed instructions. You'll have information with regards to which fabric will be used on each of the paper pieced patterns. So you have those directions as well. And then you will have all of the paper piecing templates included for this month one. We also provide a beautiful welcome letter, and this welcome letter provides a lot of additional information that might be helpful for you. It lays out what time of the month this will bill out for you. It does indicate that this is a 13-month program. You will have a picture of your quilt on the inside, and then we have various QR codes to link you to our Facebook group, which is a perfect place to join and be a part of a community that you can share your tips and tricks and photos of your quilting journey and the creation of this beautiful quilt. There's also a code for your fabric key. We also have a code to subscribe to the newsletter, and then a code to update any address or billing information. On the back, we do have our store hours and our customer service hours. Our customer service team is available to help you from Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with any questions that you have regarding the creation of this beautiful quilt. Again, if for some reason, though, you're not able to be a part of this block of the month, we do encourage you to please go to our website. We have lots of beautiful quilts that are in our block of the month program, and we'd like you to just journey through there, see if there's a quilt that you like, and please click on the register button and we can get you registered to a different quilt. Thank you so much for being here today with me, and have a wonderful day.